Modern minimalist. Many of you have been asking what this interior design style is and why it's so popular right now. In this video, we will use this design style to transform this classic interior into a modern minimalist space. Modern minimalist is an interior design style that blends modern design with minimalist aesthetics. As you may remember, we previously transformed this house from a classic style into modern contemporary. Today, we're going to transform it into a modern minimalist space. Also, I will give you some key characteristics of the furniture and decor used to achieve this look, along with its defining characteristics. The ideal color schemes that suit this style, the materials you can use, and the decor that matches it. To help you better understand the concept of modern minimalist, I will use a 3D rendered video of each area and show you some photos. Plus, I will also provide recommendations for furniture and decor available online, so be sure to check the description below. Now let's proceed on creating our mood board for this project. First, let's identify what color palette we can use here. Since we're opting for a modern minimalist style, these are the colors we can use: dark charcoal, taupe, light taupe, alabaster, and white. Next, flooring material. For our flooring, we have multiple choices to choose from. We have hardwood flooring, the LVP, and a laminate flooring. We know that hardwood floors offer a timeless, classic look that adds warmth and beauty to any space, but it's generally more expensive than other options, both in terms of material and installation. LVP, or luxury vinyl planks, is typically less expensive than hardwood and can mimic the look of real wood at a fraction of the cost. Laminate flooring is generally less expensive than both hardwood and LVP, though it is more water-resistant than hardwood. Laminate is not as waterproof as LVP and can swell or warp if exposed to significant moisture. Among these three, we're going to choose the luxury vinyl planks. A light oak LVP, a versatile and stylish choice that combines the natural beauty of wood with the practical benefits of vinyl, adding a touch of elegance and brightness to any space. That will perfectly fit to our modern minimalist design style. Now let's identify the materials that we're going to use in this project. Modern minimalist design emphasizes simplicity, functionality, and the use of high-quality, unadorned materials. We have wood, metal, stone, textile, marble, granite, and leather. And these are the materials we're going to incorporate, which are the wood. Its tone adds warmth and a natural touch to the space. Marble, bringing a touch of luxury and natural beauty to interiors. Granite, providing an organic element that adds subtle visual interest to minimalist spaces. And textile, contributing to the overall warmth, comfort, and aesthetic of the space. Next, furniture. Furniture in modern minimalist interior design is characterized by its simplicity, functionality, and focus on form. Here are some key characteristics of furniture in this style. Clean lines. Furniture pieces feature straight, clean lines with no excessive ornamentation or embellishments. For example, rectangular sofas, straight-edge tables, and geometric shelving units. Functional design. Every piece of furniture serves a practical purpose, often with multifunctional capabilities. For example, storage ottomans, sofa beds, and modular shelving. Quality materials. Furniture is made from high-quality, durable materials that often have natural textures. For example, solid wood, metal, and leather. Neutral colors. The color palette is typically neutral, including shades of white, gray, black, and beige, contributing to a calm and cohesive look. For example, white dining tables, gray sofas, and black chairs. Lastly, the decors. Decor in modern minimalist interior design complements the overall aesthetic by maintaining simplicity, functionality, and a focus on essential elements. Here are some key characteristics of decors in this style. Minimal ornamentation. Decorations are kept to a minimum, with each piece serving a specific purpose or adding subtle beauty. For example, a single piece of artwork, a carefully chosen vase, or a simple sculpture. Simple geometric shapes. Geometric shapes are used to add interest and maintain a modern feel. For example, circular mirrors, rectangular picture frames, and square candle holders. Natural elements. Incorporating natural materials adds warmth and texture while maintaining a simple and clean look. For example, wooden bowls, stone planters, and woven baskets. Greenery. Plants are used to bring a touch of nature indoors, adding color and life without clutter. For example, potted succulents, a single tall indoor plant, or a small herb garden in the kitchen. Now that we have completed everything we need, let's apply this to our model. Apply the light oak luxury vinyl planks. The wall paint will change from white to alabaster, Let's start adding the wall treatments, starting at the family hall. We're going to add plain and fluted veneer wall panels. These adds texture and interest while maintaining a cohesive look. The fluted panels add a subtle geometric pattern that enhances the minimalist aesthetic. Next, let's start placing the furniture and decors for this area. This sectional sofa positioned at the corner, a practical for maximizing the area, making it suitable for family gatherings. The coffee table placed in front of the sofa with some decorative items above it. A side table was placed beside the sectional sofa, decorated with a few carefully chosen items, a minimalist lamp, or a couple of books. Then, a rug placed under the coffee table, extending to the seating area to anchor the space. This entertainment area is a well-thought-out space that combines functionality with a sleek, modern aesthetic. The built-in cabinet, centrally mounted TV, electric fireplace with a marble backdrop, and open shelves create a cohesive and stylish look, making it both functional and visually appealing. For the window treatments, we always opt for a mix of blackout and sheer curtains. This combination allows for flexible control of natural light and privacy, ensuring the area remains both functional and aesthetically pleasing. And for the final touch of our family hall, let's add the lighting to complete the look. This area has a combination of types of lighting, the ambient, task, and accent lighting to create a balanced and functional lighting scheme. Let's now take a closer look. Now that we've completed this area, let's move on to the kitchen area. The first thing we do is focus on updating the kitchen cabinets by selecting a sleek, modern color that complements the design style. We kept the refrigerator, ovens, and dishwasher in their current positions. We changed the kitchen cabinets to seamless ones that will go with modern minimalist style. These kitchen cabinets used a wood veneer to achieve the look of solid wood while maintaining cost-effectiveness and sustainability. The cabinet doors are painted in white. This choice will brighten up the space and give it a fresh, clean look. The countertops were changed into granite. This variant is known as salt and pepper granite, a popular type of granite characterized by its speckled appearance, and added a backsplash that acts a barrier to protect the wall from moisture, heat, and stains, while also providing an easy-to-clean surface. We also add a kitchen island, a versatile and functional centerpiece in modern kitchens, offering both aesthetic appeal and practical benefits, providing you an extra countertop space for preparing meals, chopping vegetables, and other cooking tasks. In the nook area, we improved it by adding a veneer wood panel below, with hidden LED strip lights. This is paired with stool chairs to create a cozy seating area. Now for the last element that will complete the look of our new kitchen, let's add the lighting. We used recessed lighting as the main light for the kitchen, and added pendant lights above the kitchen island and the nook. Additionally, we incorporated under-cabinet lighting to enhance visibility and ambience. These lighting choices not only provide ample illumination, but also add a touch of warmth and style to the kitchen space. Let's now take a closer look. We've already completed the two areas. Let's now move on to the dining area. We added an accent wall on this side, using a plain veneer wall panel in light color, and featuring a marble panels, with striking natural veining patterns in gray and white. The marble adds a luxurious texture, and serves as a focal point in the dining area. The dining table has a rectangular shape with clean lines and a sleek, modern design. The chairs are upholstered in a light neutral fabric, which complements the overall color scheme of the room. We also incorporated a mix of blackout and sheer curtains. This combination provides flexibility in controlling light and privacy, ensuring the dining area is both functional and stylish. Above the dining table hangs a cluster of modern pendant lights. These lights are arranged at varying heights, creating visual interest and adding a dynamic element to the otherwise clean and simple space. And these recessed lights provide a general illumination. Here's a tip. Hang your pendant lights about 30 to 36 inches above the table surface to provide ample light without obstructing views. An area rug in a soft neutral color is placed under the dining table, defining the dining area and adding a layer of comfort and texture. Now let's take a closer look. We've already completed the three areas. Let's now move on to the living area located on the second floor. We'll put a marble wall panel here to add texture and warmth to the space. This will serve as a subtle, yet elegant backdrop, enhancing the overall aesthetic. The sectional sofa is positioned in the corner to maximize the area, and a coffee table is placed in front of the sofa, with a tray holding a few decorative items like a small vase and books. An ottoman is placed near the coffee table to provide additional seating and a touch of coziness. The rug is placed under the coffee table, extending to the seating area to anchor the space. Greenery adds a refreshing and vibrant element to the space, and a floor lamp in a corner, providing additional lighting and creating a cozy reading nook. We'll use a mix of blackout and sheer curtains for the window treatment. And for the final touch, let's add the lighting fixtures. Track lighting for the general illumination, and this pendant light for a focused, stylish accent over the seating area. Now let's take a closer look. And now, we've completed the 4 areas. Let's move on to the final area, the bedroom right next to the living area. Let's start with the wall treatment, adding a plain and fluted veneer wall panel to enhance the space. Next, a bed is positioned in the center, featuring soft textiles for comfort. Greenery is placed on the right side of the bed, adding a fresh look. A nightstand is placed on the other side, showcasing a few decorative elements like a vase and books. Above it, a pendant light hangs gracefully, providing focused lighting for reading or relaxation. The pendant light's sleek design complements the room's modern aesthetic while adding a touch of elegance. Don't forget the rug that adds warmth under your feet when you get up. We'll use a mix of blackout and sheer curtains for the window treatment. The lighting in this room features a combination of track lights, pendant light, and accent lighting, creating a modern and sophisticated ambiance. Now let's take a closer look. We have completed the full makeover of the 5 areas in this house, transforming the classic interior design style into modern minimalist. Let's now take a final tour in each area. Remember, when designing, start with a mood board to determine what elements will work well and are needed. This approach will help you achieve your ideal look. So, stay tuned. Check the description below for links to products similar to those in this video that you can use in your own home. If you have any questions or need help with decorating, drop them in the comments and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching.